right, guys. There's Louise, there's Amy, there's me, don't want to see that too much. This is our alcohol selection. We're playing Ring of Fire, as you can see. And Laura just picked up the 4 Kings. And now she has to neck an entire pint. So we're going to watch it. A dirty pint consisting of 3 different types of cider and vodka. Here we go, guys. Can she do it? She's just dancing to some pendulum first. Getting in the mood. Chug, 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 chug. Go Laura, go! Load up the rhythm. Chug! That's right! Chug! BBO killer! She's still going! Ooh, here we go! Why? I would clap on my hands before.